Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with Microsoft Copilot in seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this process is really simple. So what you're going to do is jump into m365.cloud.microsoft and you're going to find yourself on this page. Now from this page, you need to go to Word, open up a Word document. You need to go to PowerPoint, open up a PowerPoint presentation, and then you need to go and open up Microsoft Copilot. So this is copilot.microsoft.com, and make sure that you sign in so that you can keep all of your chat history. Now, what I have basically done here is this is the free version. So this is not a plugin into Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So there's no Microsoft Copilot over here within my presentation. So what we're going to essentially do is we're going to go to Copilot and we are going to create an outline. So here I'm looking for a business plan as an example, and this is all the detail for the business plan. Now, what is happening here is we get a business plan presentation and we get each slide. Now what we can do is go ahead and each one of these slides you are going to copy and paste. So for example, we've got now this is our business plan presentation. So we can actually go from the top here and go in here and we are going to paste it in over here. On the left hand side, we can just go and right click over here and click on new slide, and then right click on that new slide and just go to slide layout and click on blank. Right now we can go here and we can copy paste and we can get a couple slides ready for us, all blank. And now we can just go ahead and we can start copying. So I'm going to use my clipboard. So I've gone and copied this slide 2. I'm going to go ahead and copy this 2. And I'm going to go all the way down here and copy everything over first. And once I come back now to my presentation, I can just use the Windows key and V, and you'll see here it says slide 1. Now paste that in. Here you're going to use Window key and the V, slide 2. You're going to go to the next one, slide 3 and slide 4. And as you do this, you will now start to propagate all of this information into this PowerPoint presentation. Now you can go to the design tab up here at the top, and here in the designer tab you can actually, if you click on designer at the end, you can now customize all of these tabs, all of these slides to look like how you want them. So some of them are premium, however some of them are available for free to all users. So as you can see now, we are now stylizing everything like this. You can go ahead and you can continue to style them all like this, and eventually you will have a PowerPoint presentation that you didn't have to type out yourself.